Hey guys, Weird Kid. Welcome to another edition of Corona Cafe. I am your host, the Weird Kid. Hope you're all doing good on this Friday evening. Hope you've had a good day. Hope you have, if you're working, I hope you have the weekend off, can relax and enjoy yourself a little bit and build some props or watch a cool horror movie. So, yeah, today, Florida, we've been getting some pretty heavy rain here, thunder and lightning storms and everything. So, I couldn't do anything outside, so it was an indoor day. Tomorrow is the premiere of the trophy head tutorial. But in saying that, I went on and did more with this guy, and let me show you what I did. So there you have my added on to him. So I built his neck up, and then I gave him a nose with a tusk nose piercing, gave him eyelids and a brow, and just touched up his paint. And so yeah, there you have it. What do you guys think? You like them? What I'd like to do is, like I said, I would like to have some ears. Not full ears, obviously. Not like my ears, because I got tiny ears. I've been told I have earlets and not actual ears. Um, but like little stubs, they're rotting away, and there's just maybe the lobe and a little bit left over, because I wanted to put some hoop earrings on there. And then I thought about putting like a spiked collar on this guy. He's kind of got the punk rock thing going on, don't you think? And he reminds me more and more of some kind of a Mad Max character. But we still got to come up with a name for him. So what do you guys think? What would a good name for him be? I'm happy with how he came out. I've never done this before. This was an all new experience. And, I could see the potential in it. I've learned a lot of doing this process, because I know that you can manipulate the plastic when it's hot and melted. You can taper it with a screwdriver or a knife, butter knife or something like that. You definitely don't want to get your hands in there. It's like a pool of molten lava. But yeah, anyway, so it's not bad. I don't think it's too bad for my first time. And I'm looking forward to doing more and getting better and exploring other avenues and see what the full potential of this is. So, anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. Please make sure you check out the premiere tomorrow of the trophy head tutorial. And then I'm going to be moving on to the plague doctor tutorial. And then I'm going to get going. I got some interviews and stuff that I got to get done. I know I've been saying it for a while, but I got to move on them. I got a bunch of stuff that I want to finally get up and out of the way. So, would you please, I would like you all to go check out my Brothers in Arms. Between the three of us, we're the trio of terror. There's myself, there's Keith from Cobwebs and Candlesticks, there's Vic Springston from Graveyard Creepers. And together we make up the trio of terror, and we're bringing you daily vlogs to help you take your mind off the craziness that's going on in the world. Plus we're doing tutorials and just bringing you all kinds of content. So, and while you're at it, go over to the Facebook, go over and check out our Facebook page, Trio of Terror. And you're welcome. It's a place you can go and share your artwork. So please like and subscribe. I want to get those numbers up. We need to get our numbers up. We want to get to 1,000 so we can start doing live streams for you guys. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful Friday evening, and take care of yourself, take care of each other, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.